if you're considering the purchase of a turn-in centre, have a think about this from Hurco. David, what are you doing at the moment with, let's say for example, the TM8i lathe that you've got behind you?
Yeah, this is one of our most popular models. We're selling a lot of these at the moment. What we're doing here is new machine at ex-demo price, including the tail stock, 3 sets of soft jaws and a set of hard jaws, ready to go, 44,900.
Really, so under £45,000 for what we have there is a 2-axis turn-in centre?
Yes, that's just the 2-axis lathe. You have to add on the robot, but the robot can be added at any time in the future.
And the beauty of that robot is you can turn a machine like this or make a machine like this run unmanned. There's an opportunity for you, a turn-in centre at a great price from Hurco.